Namaskar. This is Hansa here, and 2026 is knocking on our door. So, what are we going to do about it? Because the energy of sun, यानी कि सूर्य का जो तेज है, वो आपके पास आ रहा है बहुत तेजी से। और सूर्य क्या करता है? सूर्य करता है अग्नि देता है, फायर देता है, एक्शन देता है और एंगर भी देता है। वो आपको कहता है ये समय है आगे बढ़ने का, वो कहता है ये आपको इस रुकने का बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं है, एक्शन ओरिएंटेड ये साल जाने वाला है। बट क्या ये साल सबके लिए एक्शन ओरिएंटेड जाने वाला है? देखते हैं इस एपिसोड में, जो कि स्पेशल 2026 न्यू ईयर्स के लिए मैं इस वक्त आपके लिए बना रही हूँ। एरीज, मेष, टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं 2026 के लिए? वेल, द क्वीन ऑफ वॉन्ड्स का कार्ड है, क्वीन ऑफ कप्स का कार्ड है एंड द पेज ऑफ पेंटिकल्स। कुल मिला के मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि ये साल आपके लिए मेष राशि बहुत अच्छा जाने वाला है, बिकॉज आप भी फायर साइन है ना। तो आपके लिए ये आ रहा है कि आप अपने काम में बहुत आगे बढ़ेंगे, अच्छे से बढ़ेंगे, थोड़ा संभल के चलिएगा, क्योंकि आगे पीछे तेजी में बढ़ेंगे तो हो सकता है कि ये देख फाइन पॉइंट्स को पढ़ना भूल जाएं, फाइन पॉइंट को समझना भूल जाएं। तो आंख और कान खुले रखिएगा, अपनी माता का ख्याल रखिए, टेक केयर ऑफ योर मॉम। You this year it's very compassionate year, love filled year, you will be very giving, very चैरिटी मोड में रहने वाले हैं आप। और जो है यूथ जो है डेफिनेटली दे गोइंग टू बी वेरी एंटरप्राइजिंग एंड दैट विल बी वर्किंग वेरी गुड बिकॉज द पेज ऑफ कप्स का कार्ड। सो बेसिकली अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेक्शन, लॉट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी ऑफ लव, कंपैशन and the statehood of donning your seat, your place, all this happening in the 2026। अब मैं देखती हूँ आपके लिए एनर्जी क्या कहती है आपके लिए एरीज मेष राशि। व्हाट इज द एनर्जी फॉर यू फॉर द 2026? कैल्शियम फॉर्म। सो बेसिकली कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो आपकी एनर्जी है, जैसे आपकी कैल्शियम हड्डियों को जोड़ के रखती है, मजबूत करके रखती है, ऐसे ही आपको भी अपनी ज़िंदगी में हर हर काम, हर चीज़ को जोड़ के रखना है। तो उसके लिए अगर हम कैल्शियम के लिए दूध लेते हैं, तो इसी तरह से आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी के कैल्शियम के लिए वो सारी चीज़ें त्याग करनी है, सेक्रीफाइस है। एंड यू हैव टू बी अ बॉन्डिंग वन, सो यू हैव टू डू थिंग्स अकॉर्डिंगली। आपको हीलिंग की भी ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है, उसका भी ध्यान रखिएगा। और अब आपके पास लेके आते हैं एंजल कार्ड्स, यस एंड नो, विच विल गाइड यू। कोई भी चीज़ अगर आपने 2026 के लिए सोच रखी है, वो 2026 में होने वाली है या नहीं? वेल, देर इज अ लिटिल वेट का कार्ड, सो मे बी दिस वेट इज लिटिल इनिशियल। तो ये मत सोचिए कि साल शुरू होते ही आपकी जिंदगी में चीजें होनी शुरू हो जाएंगी, 2-3 महीने लगेंगे, उसके बाद चीजें शुरू होंगी। गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर 2026 एरीज। टॉरियंस यानी वृषभ, व्हाट इज द कार्ड सेइंग फॉर यू? टॉरियंस, वैसे तो सबने कहा है कि आपके लिए साल अच्छा जाने वाला है। खैर, मेरे पास जो कार्ड्स आए हैं उसमें मैं कह सकती हूँ आपको बहुत एंग्जाइटी है, मूड स्विंग्स होने वाले हैं इस साल में। You will be asking for more, which is not your calling, which is not your doing, because you are a very very grounded sign. बट दिस इज ऑन द कार्ड्स, आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें करना चाहते हैं। 2 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स का कार्ड भी आया है, आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो डेफिनेटली एंग्जाइटी बहुत रहने वाली है आपको इस साल। एज फार एज लव अफेयर्स आर कंसर्न, यू विल बी प्रपोजिंग और यू विल बी टेलिंग दैट यू लव समबडी, or you will be carrying your heart on your sleeve. Okay, this is what the message for you, Taurians, for 2026 basic। एनर्जी कार्ड आपके लिए ड्रॉप ही हो गया है, तो आपके लिए भी कैल्शियम का कार्ड आया है। दिस कार्ड इज ऑल अबाउट बॉन्डिंग। कैल्शियम का कार्ड आपके लिए ये कहता है कि यू कैन अचीव व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव एंड जस्ट नॉट थिंक एनीथिंग अबाउट दैट्स गोना हैपन अदरवाइज, बिकॉज यू कैन गो अकॉर्डिंग टू द थिंग्स दैट यू विश टू गो फॉर। और अगर आपने 2026 में किसी भी चीज़ के लिए सोच रखा है, वो चीज़ होगी कि नहीं होगी? Well, the situation will improve. That's what the card is saying. So I'm just not surprised about it because it's your overthinking that is going, but the things will improve. So do not worry about it. God bless you, Taurus. मिथुन यानी Geminis, क्या कहते हैं tarot cards आपके लिए for 2026? And it's coming out to be the Six of Wands, the High Priestess, and the Seven of Swords. Now, what will happen? a lot of celebration, appreciation will come your way जिसका आपको बहुत समय से इंतजार था, that people should appreciate my work, acknowledge my hard work, acknowledge my studies, my being in the house or being in the work or wherever you are. Every individual needs a kind of acknowledgement, appreciation. That's definitely there. The high priestess is also asking you to understand that there are something, whether you are hiding or somebody is going to be hiding, you need to unearth that. And also, you have to balance your life very much in the year of 2026. That's also on the cards for you. And I would say, and use your intuition because that's definitely for work for you. Now, this struggle that you're doing, this is something which will happen because there's so many things happening. So you will not be able to focus your mind on one thing. There will be many things that you have to encounter and you have to flourish and you have to be victorious over there. So थोड़ी सी struggle रहेगी, but it's more to do mentally and sadly not physically but mentally. But I'm sure you'll be able to overcome all that stuff. Now, what is the energy message for you? It says color vibration. So you definitely need to have this kind of vibration in your life in 2026 because it's all not black and white, and this is a vibration of beautiful energy which is coming your way in 2026. Use it to empower yourself. Use it to your power. Use it to make things better for your life. And in 2026 अगर आपने अपने लिए कुछ भी सोच के रखा है ये काम होना चाहिए, वो होता है या नहीं, will say oops, it's not the right time. So I don't know what you're thinking about, not what you want to do in 26, but I guess you have to wait a little, but maybe you start seeing the results happening somewhere by the last quarter of 2026. So God bless you and have a fantastic 2026, Geminis. Kirk, yani Cancer. Whoa. Let's see what's on the cards for you. The Two of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, the Empress. Oh my God, this is gonna be the fantastic year for you, Cancerians, water sign. You are definitely going to have a good kind of a family, good family connections, prosperity, abundance, bonhomie, which you're looking. There are something related to your heart, love affair, could be you're looking for a relationship, Cancerians. And there is an Empress also, some people, maybe females, looking to get pregnant will also get pregnant. And also there will be a lot of pampering happening, Cancerians. Through the emotional way, this time you're going to be really pampering yourself. What is your energy for 2026? Is about, my God, it's about the womb. So basically, you are checking everything which is within yourself because that's how the things churn. How does it happen? It's all about being proactive. It's all about being in the moment of non-reactive, but in the right direction. And it's about procreation. So this energy is very, very happening this year for you, Cancerian. एंड अगर आपने कोई भी जिंदगी के लिए सोच रखा है सवाल कि 2026 में होना चाहिए, it's coming as success. So success is definitely on the cards for you, Cancerians, in 2026. God bless you. Have a fantastic 2026. सिंह यानी लियो, क्या है कार्ड्स आपके लिए? वाह. सिंह राशि आपके लिए द क्वीन ऑफ कप्स का कार्ड है, द पेज ऑफ पेंटिकल्स एंड द एस. Wow, it's beautiful energy in 2026. The energy of one, the power of one, the energy of sun is really blessing you all because you are basking into the energy of procreation, energy of bonhomie, energy of abundance, energy of working, energy of reaping results, reaping rewards, and also making amends with yourself and moving forward to start something new. It's all about a new beginning in your life in the year 2026, my dear Singh Rashi. And it's the card of motion. The energy is of motion. I don't have to say anything. get on the horse and move your chariot. And in 2026, if you have thought of any one thing to be there, done, dusted, and all, let's see if it happened. Well, it's not the right time for it to happen instantly. Maybe in the next half of the year, you can see something happening. So, but the year is fantastic for you. So just keep going. God bless you, Singh Rashi. All the very best for 2026. Kanya yani Virgo. Let's see how this year is gonna pan out for you. 2026 and number 1, number 9 has gone. A lot of upheavals has happened in 2025. Now it's all about 2 of Swords. So I would say this year will begin something with topsy-turvy for you, not happening, not good, not the way you wanted, but you will come out of this equation and things will start moving as you want, keeping the balance because the 9 of Pentacles has come, keeping the balance in your life, keeping the spiritual energy aligned, keep with the materialistic world of yours, and definitely some business improvement is there, some work improvement is there, some new beginning is there, some new finance, loan, whatever you want is happening, but the later part of the year that's going to be there. And I would say energy for you is structure. So basically, you're looking for some kind of, you need to bring some structure in your life. The way things are happening is not the thing. Structure is something which holds you together, which keeps you going, keeps you working for it. That kind of a thing you want. And in 2026, if you have asking one question, whichever is in your heart, just see the answer if it's happening your way or not. Well, it says the situation will improve, so things will change for you. I think in the after June or July, things will change for you. So all the very best for 2026, Virgos, and keep smiling. Libra, Yanintula, what is the message for you? Liberals this year, oops, it is something like सेहत का ख्याल डेफिनेटली रखना है. 5 of Pentacles का कार्ड है, Page of Cups का कार्ड है, and the Moon का कार्ड है. I'm just saying, all your anxieties are going to create little stress 2026. So keep your anxieties away. That's not going to help you in any which ways. There are movement which is happening. There are things which are happening. You have to take care of finances, definitely. You need to take care of them. But agar aap, if your health is bad, you take a lot of stress, that's not going to work for you. Why I feel I should take one more card for you? Because, yeah, well, it's all about the finances, basically, which you are thinking, my dear Librans. So I would say money is always there. You have to change your energy towards money. Money is all about, I love you, money, and money loves me. Be the magnet of money. Be the magnet of abundance. Don't see things from void. Do not operate from void. You need to operate from abundance. That is my earnest request to you, advice to you. What's your energy for 2026? Well, you need definite love, infinite love. लव तभी होता है जब आप सोचते हैं कि आप खुद को प्यार कर सकते हैं. So you need to love yourself. You need to be in self-love. Take care of yourself. Take care of your body. Take care of your health. Take care of your likes, dislikes, whatever. Pay attention to yourself because that will take you further. Now in 2026, what is one thing that you wish to happen? Let's see what is the card indicating. And the card is wait. I don't know what you're waiting for, what you want to happen, but whatever you are thinking is little wait. So wait is something will happen, not instantly, but by say mid of the year, say June, July, things will start shaping, things will start happening. So just go for it. God bless you, Librans. All the very best for 2026. Scorpio, Yani Rishabh, what's the card saying for you? Oh. Okay, Scorpios. 2 of Pentacles. Are you earning double income? Maybe, yes, yeah. And it's going to take you a lot of stress, yeah, but it's all good. You are seeking clarity this year because a lot of 2025 has given you anxiety, non-clarity, everything. You will have a lot of clarity. You will be basking in the owning of yourself, which is very important. Own yourself, own your power, okay? And there is the justice card, definitely, whatever. If there's a court case, you will find justice. If there is a business decision, you will find justice. Justice is definitely there. It will happen by the mid of year that you will get the clarity. Say April onwards, I would say you will see clarity about things happening for you, and you will be moving forward. What is the energy for you this year? It's about detoxifying. This is a mental, emotional, physical detoxifying that you have to do this year. Very, very important. Take care of your health, take care of your mental peace, take care, learn to say no. Yes, that's the best detoxification you can ask for. Now, in 2026, if you have thought of anything, one thing to happen, will that happen? Let's see. Well, it's up to you. What a free will answer. It's completely up to you. So, what you need to do is be open, be receiving, be receptive, be open to get it from anywhere. Do not have your guidelines. Have free will means be open, receive it. Wherever the money, wherever the work, wherever the love is coming from, don't put a stop or pause, okay? Receive with abundance, love, and gratitude. God bless you, Scorpios. All the very best for 2026. Thanu Yani Sagis. What are the cards for you? What's 2026 for you? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Because you are getting finance, you are getting inheritance from somewhere, you definitely getting money, okay? And you will be doing charity also. You looking for loans, you will get it. There is a transformation time with the mid of the year. Transformation time is happening because the death card has come. It is asking you to leave your comfort zone, move out of the comfort zone, so that the thing that you want, you will get it, okay? So I would say this is a transition time for you. Transform, transit, change your place, change your work location, change your house. Whatever you want to do can happen this year. What is the energy for you this year? It's about imagine. Well, yes, imaginary things lead to your things to happen. Until you start, have a vision board. Imagine the things that you want to do, and you will see that they are happening. Manifest karo har cheez ko. Acha, agar anything you want in 2026, will you get that thing? Will that work? Will that not work? One thing that you so desperately want in 2026. Don't stop. So go ahead, try to achieve what you want so badly. All the very best for 2026, Sagittarius. God bless you. Makar, Capricorns, what's on the cards? OMG, I'm so happy to see these cards. 5 of Wands to begin with. The first half of the year is going to be a little taxing. But then after the Queen of Pentacles and Queen of and the Empress, OMG, this is so gorgeous energy around you, Capricorns. Because first half, like first quarter, I would say, is going to be too much of work, and losing your balance, and you're just feeling, some people might feel the competition is surrounding them and you need to pass. But then after the first quarter, let's say after the Hindu New Year, March onwards, April onwards, you will see a lot of changes happening in your life, because you will be taking care of yourself. There will abundance coming your way. There is a beautiful energy of bonhomie, beautiful energy of success, materialistic things to come into your life, spiritual awakening in your life, and a lot of things that you have not even thought of. You will be traveling, you will be soaking into the spiritual world, and you will be detoxifying. And what is your energy? It is about welcome. OMG, I'm not surprised. Welcome yourself. You will be welcome everywhere you go, and you will be welcoming this new change that you so want and desire in your life. Now, if any one thing that you so wish to happen in 2026, let's see if that's gonna happen. Ouch, it's a wait. Nothing too bad. Wait for the first, as long this problem is on, and then things will happen. It will not happen instantly, but it shall happen. God bless you, Capricorns. All the very best for 2026. Kumbh, Yani Aquarius, what's the card in for you? All right, Aquarius, a beautiful card for you, because it's the Page of Cups, the Moon, and the Page of Swords, 2 pages. Okay. Now, this is all about the energy of 2026 that you have to start fresh. Think from the young heart. Don't think you're old. You think from the young energy. You will see things will be changing for you, things will be happening for you. But it's your inner self which is in a turmoil, and that will create a little problem in the mid of the year, say around June, July, and all that. So you need to work accordingly because it's your time. Claim your power. And if there's an energy of yours is fractals, well, this is all about being factual in your life. Understand what you really need, how you want to go about it, what you need to do. And if anything you want to seek in 2026 to happen, is it going to happen or not? Let's see. Ask for help from others. Well, this is what you need to do. Ask for help from others, and you will find answers in the year of 2026 because that's what on the cards for you. All right. God bless you. Last but not the least is Pisces. OMG, it begins only with transformation. Pisces, the death card is there. So initial months are going to be a lot of transformation happening in your life. You will be seeing what is not going to work. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to if you're sitting in your ass, start moving your ass. If you're not doing workout, start doing workout. If you're not eating healthy, start eating healthy. If you're not socializing, start socializing. All those transformations coming your way because that's how the life is moving for you forward with the Page of Swords and the Judgment. It's all about if you want to claim your power, you have to start moving, start doing what you have not been doing up till now. In the 2026, that's what you got. Energy is about individuality, darlings. Claim your power because you deserve it. Okay. And if anything you want in 2026 to happen for you, that desired thing that you ever want, will it happen? Well, it's asking you to choose a new direction. So whatever that you've been thinking of, you need to look for another direction. That's what the card is saying. So all the very best for 2026, Pisces. Mwah. I love it. So this was a reading for 2026. I hope you like it. And please like, do comment. I would love it because I do a lot of efforts to put it. Even in my back chin, I'm doing it for you. So have a little gratitude. I would be happy when you claim this energy by liking it, by leaving a comment over there. God bless you and a fantastic Happy New Year and 2026 for you, all of you. God bless you.